How to recover permanently deleted Facebook account. Now this only works for accounts that has been recently deleted because Facebook only allows you to recover your account till the 30 days before the 30 days of your deletion. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also leave a like to the video at the end and check out more of our content. Now let's just start. Now to recover our permanently deleted Facebook account, let's just open Facebook. Now you need to put in your email ID or your mobile number and then just put in your password. After you've done so, click on login and then you will see this page load up. Now what this says is if I would like to continue using Facebook or retrieve any of my information from my account, I can cancel my scheduled account deletion. Now, as this says on the top, my account is scheduled to delete on 28th of August. That means exactly 1 month from now. Then it also gives you the option to keep your account on the scheduled deletion, so I can log out. But what I need to do is I need to click on yes, continue to Facebook. Now, as you can see, I have retrieved my account that I tried to delete permanently from my Facebook, that I tried to delete permanently. Now make sure that you try this method before the 30 days of your scheduled deletion, or your account will get permanently deleted and you cannot retrieve it back. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye.